Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Zombie Catchers. So without any further ado, let's get started. Zombie Catchers is an engaging mobile game where the players build and expand their zombie catching empire by utilizing an arsenal of gadgets and weapons to capture the undead in a variety of environments. Now in order to do so, first of all go to Play Store. In the search bar type in Zombie Catchers. Now tap on the install button. After the app has been installed, click on the play button in order to play the game. So that is how you can download Zombie Catchers. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.